Hey, I'm Seth with Land the House. Sunjoe just sent over the SPX 3000 Xtream power washer. I've just unboxed it and it's time to go ahead and give this its first test. I've got my four-wheeler and my lawnmower, which have become quite dirty, and it's time to give them a nice spray down. Let's go over some of the features here and give this a test. I went ahead and pulled this out of the box and got it put together without you. There is a cup down here that protects the spray nozzle. That was added separate. I had to attach this down here for the hose connector. This up here is for either your power cord or for the hose, and that was added separately. This little piece was attached, and then the handle itself needed to have screws back here to have that installed. And that's all that was required for putting this together. So let's go over what you get inside the box. So it is on wheels down here. Nice rubber wheels. Shouldn't be slipping around anywhere. Has a very nice long power cord. We'll be hooking that up here in a moment. Has a 2900 PSI hose for your power washing needs. On-off switch is down here. This right here is for detergent to go into, and it will mix in there so that you can hook this up straight to the sprayer and have a soap or a detergent mix in there. Go over here to the back side. It has 4 different size nozzles that you can use for your spraying. So it just pulls off of these little clips, which is very handy to have. Here's a 25 degree on that one. And they just pop back on there. This one right here says 40 degree. Move down. This is a 0. It's just a hole right there. And then let's go to the last one, 15 degree. And you can see it has the slit there on that side. This unit also comes with a couple of brushes. This is a very soft bristle brush, and it hooks up to your spray nozzle there so that you can have the spray coming out of the brush, which is really fun. We'll get into that here in just a second. And then this one, it indicates that it is for your wheel hubcaps, so your wheels and hubcaps. You have to have your connector down here for your hose. It's all stainless steel, which is nice. The hose and sprayer has an attachment here you can store without having it flop around, which is nice. Has a stainless steel shaft there. It connects down here at this point. Now the unit does have a safety switch you can flip out and lock down, so nobody can pull that to start the unit. And then there's your squeeze handle. All right, so let's go ahead and get this hooked up and we will start spraying down these dirty machines here. I'm gonna get the garden hose hooked up down here. There is a nice screen on here to keep any of the large debris from getting in there. Also, there's a secondary screen that is beyond this one. Before I could even turn the unit on, we had a rainstorm blow through. Kind of did half the work for me. So let's go ahead and get this started. Let's pick a nozzle and attach it here. So let me grab one back here. Let's do a 25 degree angle. And I'm going to see about plopping that on there to the end. Very nice. And we will go ahead and get the water on to this unit and turn it on and see what happens. I'm going to go ahead and flip the switch here. All right, nothing happened so far. Let's see about turning this on. All right, we got water flow. I bet we have to go over here and flip the ground fault circuit real quick. Ha, there's the problem. Okay, now we're working there. I heard it come on. And let's make sure this one is also pushed. It's green, so we're good there. Nice. Let's try this out on our mower first. that nozzle's working really well. I'm gonna go ahead and put the safety on the handle, and then, thanks, had some pressure on it. I'm gonna go ahead and put the 0 degree on there, which is just a straight stream of water. Now, in order to use the attachments like the brush, you have to use this little adapter here. And it's a little bit awkward because it pops in like that, but then you have to unscrew the other portion to get this on. What I mean by that is you have to take this piece and turn it off, which, I mean, it's not terrible, but it's a little bit of a hassle. Now let's try out the soft bristle brush. I kind of expect this is designed to be used with that detergent dispenser, which I don't have any of that, but let's just see what happens here. Now I have the 15 degree here. Just simply plops into place. You can actually turn that in different directions, but I kind of like it straight up and down there. Using the power washer is straightforward and easy. Let's see how it is to take this apart and store it here. Okay, just disconnecting the hose, and that should be good to go there. Make sure the unit's off. So let's go ahead and wrap up the power cord. It's got this piece here that can hold the cord, so we should just be able to wrap it up into a decent sized little circle. Okay, very nice. That's clean enough, I would say. Now let's see about getting the the hose off of the sprayer. I'm just unscrewing it from the back here. Okay. There we go. Nice. Not bad at all. Let's take a look at the unit after one use here. Typical amount of dirt on hoses and stuff, but this little cup down here at the bottom is very handy to keep that from getting damaged. Now I probably should remove this right here so that it's not going to be sitting against that plastic cup. And we will restore it over here where it's supposed to go. Just like that. So this brush and this brush I can see being very useful on cars. But on my four-wheeler and lawnmower here, not too practical. And without having the detergent in this little bucket here, it's not really going to do much with those brushes. So, but with this, you just hook it up in line with the rest of the system, and then you can have some soap on whatever you're working on. Very cool. The only thing that I found a little bit annoying was having to use this separate piece here that had to be screwed back onto the main gun. So you had to unscrew this stainless steel shaft here and install the other one onto that, but it wasn't bad because this piece right here swivels and it was easy enough. Now I was using this safety device whenever I changed out one of the nozzles, You probably should also turn it off here before adjusting that. But so far, I like the unit. Let's see how well the wheels roll here on the rocks. Bumpy, but very doable. The unit itself is just heavy enough that you probably would not want to carry that for too long. The performance was good. The four-wheeler here has not been this clean in a long time. The mower I didn't spend as much time on, but it did manage to get quite a bit of the grass from out underneath here, which has been under there for too long. So anyway, I am pleased with the performance of getting this four-wheeler clean here. If you're looking for a power washer, check out the Sunjoe spx 3000 Xtream. It's a solid unit. I definitely will be using it again here in the future to clean this four-wheeler after I go riding in the mud. The link to this is in the description down below. They have a ton of different products for you to check out. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.